So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to actually change the language of your Apple Watch Ultra. So the first thing you need to do is not with the actual Apple Watch, but with the Watch app. So basically, as you can see here, you've got different actual settings. So here is the actual app. So if you haven't got it, basically what you got to do is you got to go to actual App Store and just download it. And then you see here it says password sounds. Well, if you go to general, here you see it says automatic device, it says language and region. So basically if you click here, you'll be able to change it. For instance, let's say I want to change it from English to Spanish. Basically, I just swipe it up. Do you want to continue? It will restart your Apple Watch. So I've got my Apple Watch right here. Continue. And you see automatically it will actually change the actual language, okay? And that's basically it. So you just need the actual app and you're ready to go. As always, if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll just leave it here so you can see that it says changing the actual language. And there you go. Back to the language you chose, okay? So as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below and thank you very much for watching.